Video, I'm going to take you through various features a learning administrator can perform when it comes to your organization's learning content. Learning content can be of various forms. You can have content which has PDFs or Word documents, presentations. You can also have content with links, videos, e-learning content such as COM packages, AICC, etc. All the learning content can be put into Saba's content library and categorized as per folders and subfolders. You can have various content items in one folder and various versions and various formats. You can import various kind of content into the platform such as AICC, CMI5, SCOM files, tin can, file, packages, URL and zip files. You can assign a specific domain to each of the content so that you can restrict who sees the content. You can also have various player templates. Player templates are templates which are created based on your height and width and different color schemes. You can have specific templates for your assessments. You can have a diagnostic template to diagnose your content and send it to vendors in case you have issues. You can have a template for your mobile content. You can also have template players which opens in a separate window, such as this. Each of these templates can be created based on the dimensions and different color schemes. You can also have mobile device compatibility and various devices. Should you wish not to be mobile compatible, then the content will open only on the web browser. You can also have various content type and categorize them so that it's easier for you to get analytics. You can version them. This is important because you may have some compliance files which change on a yearly basis. Versioning helps you track who's completed what versions. You can also assign an expiration date. Now, after this date, the content will not be available. Once the content is put into the content library, you can also preview them to see how it looks. I'm going to show you an example of how you can preview content. So you can preview the content. This is before assigning to learners. Based on your settings of how you've inputted it, you can preview your learning content. This is an example of an e-learning content which has been put into the demo system. Once you're happy with the content, you can then proceed to assign the learning content to a class or create a separate course or a class and assign them in bulk. These are the various features you can do with the content section. Should you have any questions related to content, please feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you.